Hello Flutes, and welcome to your fourth guided music practice video. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning about 3/8 time, and you'll be successful when you can correctly explain and play in 3/8 time with the correct counting. So looking at exercise 74. So looking at exercise 74, you can see that at the beginning of your music, it says 3/4 time. 3/4 time is where there are 3 beats in a bar, just like 3/4. 3/8, however, means that the bottom number, remember how the bottom number in 3/4 time means a crotchet? In 3/8 time, it means a quaver or a eighth note. See how that makes sense? So 3/4 time, it's 3 quarter notes in a bar. In 3/8 time, it's 3 eighth notes in a bar, 3 quavers in a bar. Look in exercise 74B and see if you can notice the 3 quavers that are in each bar. So in exercise 74, it will go like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can see that the first bar has 3 quavers in it, and they're all Bs. B, B, B. Then the next note's a D, and it goes for 3 quaver counts, because in a dotted crotchet, there are 3 quavers. D, 2, 3. And if you look in bar 5, you'll see another D and then an E flat. And it's D, 2, E, because it's 1, 2, 3 in the bar. And that's how the beats line up, because in a crotchet, there are 2 quavers. T, 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 1, 2, 3. Go from the beginning and see if you can write in all of the counting for all of exercise 74B. 74A is the 3/4 version. So it's exactly the same counting, just looks different. Now let's see if we can sing and do the fingers the whole way through. All together, ready? 1, 2, 3. B, 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 D, 2, 3, C, 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 E, 2, 3, D, 2, E, F, 2, G, F, 2, E, C, 2, 3, back to the beginning, B, 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 D, 2, 3, C, 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 E, 2, 3, D, 2, E, F, 2, G, F, E flat, C, B flat, 2, 3. Pause and practice that again on your own, singing the whole way through. Now let's check it and see if we can play the whole way through, making sure you're counting in your head. 1, 2. Now, because quavers are usually half the length of a crotchet, because we're counting 1, 2, 3, usually it would be a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's see if we can do that and count it a little bit faster, but still count 3 in every bar. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. D, 2, E, F, 2, G, F, E, C, B, 2, 3. Pause and practice that now and see if you can play it on your own. Pause here and take as much time as you need to. Now let's play it together to check. Ready? 1, 2. Pause and practice that 10 times at that speed and see if you can make it a little bit faster. Now let's play it with smart music all together. How did you go playing and counting in 3/8 time? Let's check and go to exercise 75. Pause now and see if you can write in all of the counting for 3/8. Now let's check it and sing and do the fingers together with the counting. So it'll be G2, F, E2. Actually, let's just do it with numbers the whole way through first. Singing and fingers with the counting. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Ready? From the beginning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Did you notice anything about the music that we just played? What key signature are we in? How about the dynamics? Was your counting all correct from what you wrote in? Hopefully it was. Pause now and sing it again, doing the dynamics, making sure you're playing the A flat and the correct counting. Now pause and see if you can play the first 4 bars. And let's play it together. First 4 bars. 1, 2. Is that what yours sounded like? Pause and practice it again 5 times. Now look at the next 4 bars. Sing in fingers. G, 2, F, E, 2, C, D, E, D, C, 2, 3. What do you notice about those 4 bars? They're exactly the same as the first 4 bars. Pause now and play it on your own 5 times. Now look at the next 4 bars. Singing in fingers. E, 2, E, F, 2, F, G, 2, G, B, A flat, G. Pause and practice that. Now let's play it together. And again, make sure you play the A flat. Now practice it 5 more times, pausing here. And now let's play the last 4 bars. Pause and practice that 4 times. Now go from the beginning and see if you can join it all together now on your own, pausing here. And play it with me. Pause and practice that 4 more times on your own. Hopefully, you found counting in 3/8 really easy. Pause now and see if you can do exercise 76 on your own, using all of the tools that we've learnt so far. Practicing it in small chunks, singing and doing the fingers, and make sure you check the key signature at the beginning. How many flats do you have to play? Once you've done that, make sure Make sure you join it all together and you're playing it evenly and counting in 3/8 time. Now let's review how you went in today's lesson. What does 3/8 time signature look like? What does it mean? And how do you count it? Hopefully today's lesson made sense and it wasn't too tricky. Keep sending me those smart music assignments, keep up with your work, and happy practicing.